Our iPhone excels at capturing vibrant colors and nuanced tones in a scene, and while the built-in microphone may seem sufficient, its audio quality often falls short compared to the high dynamic range capabilities of the iPhone's video. As the subject moves away from the microphone, audio quality diminishes, and background noise or wind interference can further degrade recordings due to the mic's susceptibility to low-frequency rumble. Thankfully, there's a wide array of microphones available that can enhance the audio quality to match the excellence of HDR video. The choice of microphone depends on your specific needs. For wedding videographers aiming for a documentary-style approach, an on-camera shotgun mic is ideal, capturing clear audio while allowing us to remain discreet like a fly on the wall. On the other hand, YouTube vloggers who prefer to move around while speaking to the camera require a wireless solution. A clip-on mic with a receiver connected to the iPhone offers the freedom to roam while ensuring crisp audio capture from a distance. No matter your personal preference or the type of work you do, we've assembled a comprehensive selection of the best microphones available to fulfill all your requirements. All product links are provided in the description below. Let's explore. In the fifth is the Rode Wireless Pro. The Rode Wireless Pro is the go-to wireless mic for video pros. Here's the lowdown. It boasts an omnidirectional polar pattern, a frequency response from 20 Hz to 20 kHz, and a sensitivity ranging from -38 dB to 123.5 dB. Plus, it rocks a 3.5mm TRS connector and a rechargeable lithium-ion battery with a transmission range of up to 260 meters. There's more. This bad boy also offers 32-bit float recording, a handy charge case, an accessory case, as well as lav mics and wind shields to boot. It even comes with onboard recording capability, ensuring your audio is covered even if the signal gets a little wonky. Now, there is a drawback to consider. Well, it's not the cheapest option out there, so if budget is a concern, you might want to explore other alternatives. What sets the Rode Wireless Pro apart is its versatility. It's a standard wireless mic system, packing 2 transmitters and a receiver. But here's the kicker, those transmitters also feature onboard recording. This means if your signal takes a hit due to obstacles, fear not. You can salvage your audio from the files saved directly onto the transmitters. And here's where it really shines, those recordings are in 32-bit float format. You've got more leeway when it comes to setting the gain, reducing the risk of ending up with either too quiet or distorted audio. Plus, you can tweak those recordings to your heart's content in post-production. In fourth is the Godox Virso M2. Godox Virso M2 is the top pick for capturing conversations with your iPhone. Here's what makes it stand out. Boasting an omnidirectional polar pattern and a frequency response from 50 Hz to 18 kHz, this microphone offers a sensitivity of 32 dB plus 2 dB, ensuring clear and crisp audio. Plus, it features a 3.5mm TRS connector and impressive battery life, with 13 hours for the transmitter and 17 hours for the receiver. With a transmission range of up to 200 meters, you won't miss a beat. Why should you consider Snag One? Well, for starters, it offers long-range capabilities without any pesky dropouts. Plus, it comes with onboard recording via microSD, meaning you can capture your audio directly without missing a moment. And the best part, it's ready to go straight out of the box. But before you make the leap, consider this. While the Godox Virso M2 is a powerhouse in its own right, it lacks a supplied 3.5mm jack to lightning adapter for iPhones 14 and below. So if you're rocking one of those models, you might need to invest in an adapter separately. Now, let's talk practicality. Many wireless mic setups allow you to attach boxy transmitters to your clothing, but they can be a bit conspicuous. For a more discreet option, you can clip the transmitter onto your belt and use a supplied lavalier cable mic. Tuck the cable inside your shirt, leaving only the mic visible for a sleeker setup. Comparing it to the Rode Wireless Pro, the Godox Virso M2 offers similar features at a more affordable price point. It's powerful enough to transmit from 200 meters, and even if it loses line of sight, it'll still pick up your voice. Plus, with the added ability to monitor sound via the receiver's headphone output socket, you'll always be in control of your audio. And here's a pro tip: if you're unable to monitor the sound during recording, fear not. You can save your audio directly onto a micro SD card inserted into the transmitter. So even if there's a dropout in the connection between the transmitter and receiver, your recording remains uninterrupted. In number 3 is SmallRig All-in-One Video Kit for Smartphone Creators. The SmallRig all-in-one video kit for smartphone creators presents a comprehensive solution tailored for smartphone videographers, particularly advantageous for wedding videographers. Its key specifications include a cardioid polar pattern, covering frequencies from 50 Hz to 16 kHz, with a sensitivity of 38 dB plus 3 dB. Connectivity options include 3.5mm TRS and TRRS coiled cables, while it operates without a battery and lacks a specified transmission range. Why you should consider purchasing this kit revolve around its focus on improving audio quality and reducing unwanted noise. The directional gun mic effectively minimizes ambient sounds, making it suitable for capturing clear dialogue in noisy environments like weddings. With the included windshield and suspension mount, handling noise and rumble are further diminished, ensuring professional-grade audio recordings. The kit also offers versatility through multiple connection cables, including a 3.5mm jack-to-lightning adapter for compatibility with older iPhone models. Additionally, a wool cover is provided to mitigate wind noise, enhancing audio quality in outdoor shooting scenarios. However, potential buyers should be mindful of additional costs associated with accessories like the LED lamp. Moreover, while the kit streamlines the process of mounting the microphone onto an iPhone with the SmallRig iPhone cage, users should be aware that this requires separate mounting equipment, adding complexity to the setup. Overall, the SmallRig all-in-one video kit for smartphone creators provides smartphone videographers, especially those covering weddings, with a professional solution for capturing high-quality audio in diverse shooting environments. At number 2 is Saramonic BlinkMe. The Saramonic BlinkMe emerges as the ultimate iPhone microphone, boasting a comprehensive array of features tailored to professional audio capture. Here's what makes it the standout choice. In terms of specifications, it offers an omnidirectional polar pattern, ensuring versatile audio pickup across various recording scenarios. Its wireless connectivity via a 3.5mm jack and impressive battery life, 6 to 8 hours for the transmitter and 24 hours for the receiver, ensure extended recording sessions without interruption. Moreover, its transmission range of 100 meters offers ample flexibility for users on the move. One of the standout features of the BlinkMe is its ability to combat wind noise effectively, delivering clearer audio even in challenging outdoor environments. This is achieved through a combination of a physical windshield and advanced software noise reduction, minimizing unwanted interference and preserving the integrity of recorded sound. Furthermore, the BlinkMe excels in maintaining clear audio transmission over considerable distance, even in scenarios where line of sight is obstructed. In the event of signal dropout, the BlinkMe provides a fail-safe solution with its onboard recording feature. This allows users to capture audio directly onto the transmitters, ensuring that no crucial moments are lost. Additionally, the inclusion of a secondary safety track recorded at 6 dB serves as a safeguard against distortion caused by peaking level. While the BlinkMe's circular transmitter design may result in minor clothing sag when attached to the magnetic clip mount, its exceptional performance and reliability make it a highly desirable option for iPhone users seeking professional-grade microphone capabilities. And number 1 is Godox WES2. Meet the ultimate plug-and-play wireless mic kit that won't break the bank. Here's why it's a total game changer. Picture this, you're gearing up for a shoot, and the last thing you want is a mess of tangled cables. That's where the WES2 swoops in with its cable-free connection. No more wrestling with cords or worrying about them getting snagged, especially when you're on the move with a gimbal. And let's talk about range. This bad boy can reach up to 200 meters with line of sight, meaning you can roam freely without sacrificing sound quality. Sure, there might be a bit of dropout if you turn your back to the camera at around 100 meters, but hey, it's still impressive. Now, here's the kicker. It's tailor-made for iPhone users. The WES2 meets Apple's MFI requirements, ensuring seamless compatibility with your device. Just make sure you snag the lighting version if you're rocking an older iPhone, or go for the WES2 kit if you're rocking the latest and greatest. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. The noise reduction feature might take a toll on voice quality, and you'll have to shell out extra for cable lavalier mics. Plus, if you're using a phone cage like the newer iPhone 15 Pro Max, you might run into some compatibility issues with the receiver's plug-in design. But hey, despite these minor hiccups, the Godox WES2 packs a punch where it counts. It's affordable, easy to use, and delivers top-notch performance. So if you're in the market for a wireless mic kit that won't break the bank, look no further than the WES2. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe if you found the video useful.